Hello users. In this video, we're going to give you a basic overview of the CTWA dashboard. To start, you can select the date range you want to view data for. Once you've selected your dates, simply click on the Update button and the data for your chosen date range will populate. Next, in the Overview section, you will be able to see impressions, the click-through rate (CTR), and the amount spent over the selected duration. You can also view trend analysis between these metrics on a day-level basis. Additionally, you have the option to change these metrics as you see fit. If you're interested in creating a campaign, simply click on the campaign button and you'll be redirected to our campaign creation page. So that's a basic overview of the dashboard features available for CTWA ads. Thank you for watching.